Hello, job seekers. Welcome back to the art of crafting an impressive resume, tips and strategies. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of behavioral interviews and equip you with the knowledge and strategies to excel in these types of interviews. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the specifics of behavioral interviews, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation for success. Here are some essential steps to prepare yourself for any interview. First, research the company thoroughly. Gain a deep understanding of their mission, values, culture, and recent achievements. This knowledge will not only impress the interviewer but also help you tailor your responses to align with the company's goals. Next, identify the most common behavioral interview questions. These questions typically ask you to describe a situation, explain your actions, and highlight the outcomes. By anticipating and practicing your responses, you'll feel more confident during the interview. Now, let's move on to the STAR method. STAR stands for situation, task, action, and result. It's a framework you can use to structure your answers effectively. When answering a behavioral question, describe the situation, explain the task or challenge you faced, outline the actions you took, and conclude with the positive result you achieved. To truly master behavioral interviews, you need to craft compelling stories that showcase your skills and experiences. Here are some tips to help you perfect your interview responses. First and foremost, use the CAR approach. CAR stands for context, action, and result. Start by setting the context and providing a brief background to ensure the interviewer understands the situation. Then, focus on the actions you took, emphasizing your skills, problem-solving abilities, and leadership qualities. Finally, highlight the positive results and outcomes you achieved. Additionally, use quantifiable metrics whenever possible. Numbers and statistics provide tangible evidence of your accomplishments and make your stories more impactful. For example, instead of saying you increased sales, say you boosted sales by 30% within 6 months. Remember, practice makes perfect. Rehearse your stories in front of a mirror, with a friend, or even record yourself. Pay attention to your body language, tone of voice, and delivery. The more you practice, the more confident and polished you'll become. One of the best ways to prepare for behavioral interviews is through mock interviews. Mock interviews simulate real interview scenarios and provide invaluable feedback to help you improve your performance. Here's how to make the most of mock interviews. Start by finding a partner who can play the role of the interviewer. This could be a friend, family member, or even a career counselor. Make sure they have a list of common behavioral questions to ask you. During the mock interview, treat it as if it were the real thing. Dress professionally, arrive on time, and maintain a positive and confident attitude. Remember to use the STAR or CAR method to structure your responses. After the mock interview, ask your partner for feedback. Take note of their observations, including your body language, verbal delivery, and the clarity of your responses. Use this feedback to make improvements and enhance your interview skills. Finally, it's crucial to showcase your alignment with the company's values and culture during behavioral interviews. Here are some tips on highlighting your research and demonstrating your company fit. Before the interview, thoroughly research the company's mission, values, and recent initiatives. Use this information strategically to tailor your responses and demonstrate how your skills and experiences align with their needs. When answering behavioral questions, integrate your knowledge of the company. For example, if the company values teamwork, highlight a situation where you successfully collaborated with a diverse team to achieve a common goal. Furthermore, prepare thoughtful questions to ask the interviewer. This not only shows your genuine interest but also provides an opportunity for you to learn more about the company's culture and expectations. Remember, being well prepared and showcasing your company fit are essential elements of a successful behavioral interview. By following these strategies, you'll stand out from the competition and increase your chances of landing your dream job. That wraps up today's video on mastering behavioral interviews. We hope you found these tips and strategies valuable. Stay tuned for more valuable content on the art of crafting an impressive resume, tips and strategies. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you next time.